What's up guys, Robby Blanchard here, and today I made $1,600 with Clickbank, and I want to show you on this video how you can do it too. So let's get into it right now. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about Clickbank and how you can make money on Clickbank. Now, one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me was this past January when I won the Clickbank affiliate contest. Now, with Clickbank, if you don't know what Clickbank is, first of all, it's an online marketing platform where you're able to, if you have a product, and say an informational product or an ebook, you can host it on Clickbank and have other people promote it for you. And when those people promote it for you, they're called affiliates. Now, the great thing about Clickbank is you are able to make a lot of commission by promoting other people's products. That's what affiliate marketing is, right? And the great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't need to have a product, you don't need to have an email list, you don't need to have a website or even a Shopify store or anything like that, which are all great, don't get me wrong. I know a lot of people making money from those, but I like affiliate marketing because I don't need to have all those things. I don't have to worry about customer service. I just have to find a good product that converts and then I just make money from it, right? So, and the cool thing about Clickbank offers is you can make anywhere from 75% all the way up to 100% commission on somebody else's product, right? I mean, how cool is that? There's no other industry and no other niche where you can really, make 75% to 100% commission on somebody else's product. I mean, when I tell my friends and I tell my parents, like, hey, I'm able to make 100% commission on somebody else's product, they kind of look at me funny, right? They just don't get it, but that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. So in this video, let me share with you exactly how you can be successful on Clickbank, how I've done it, and how you can use my example of success for your own success. Right now, as you can see, we're in my Clickbank profile. So it's important to sign up for your own Clickbank account. Just go to clickbank.com. It's free, okay? So you get nothing to lose there. You can see when you log in, this is your dashboard. So for me, obviously my dashboard is gonna look a little different than yours because I've been doing this for a little bit longer. And just to show and just to prove that I actually am legit and I do make a good amount of money on Clickbank each and every year, let me show you what's going on. So right now you can see as I'm recording this video, it's April 5th. I made $1,600 so far just for April. So if I click on in here, I've had some good days, $3,000 days, $2,000 days. If I go and I click in here, you can see this is my account, okay? Now, if I go all the way from January 1st till now, you're gonna be amazed when you see the number that I've made so far from Clickbank, right? And you're gonna see the revenue in just a second here. It takes a second for it to think. All right, guys, so you can see here as it took a few minutes for it to load, but you can see here it's $1.759 million in revenue from Clickbank by promoting it on Facebook this year, right? And we are just in April. So just imagine what it's gonna be like by the end of December, end of year. It's gonna be a lot more, right? So just to show you that number right there, that is a lot of money. So the thing I wanna show you guys and just kind of get you inspired is that you can make a lot of money on Clickbank. All right, and honestly and truly, I spend between 1 to 2 hours a day with this stuff. Now, it's not as hard as you may think it is, right? Because anytime you see a big number like that, okay, you're like, wow, it must take a lot of work to do and everything. And sure, there is some work involved, but it really is not that hard. So here's what I want you guys to do, and here are some tips to really have your own success with Clickbank right now. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to this top menu tab and you're gonna click on Marketplace, okay? And so when I click on the Marketplace, a couple things you're gonna see here is you have your categories, so you have your arts and entertainment, you have all this different stuff you can choose from, and there are tons of products in each and every category. The best way though, like for me, when I'm promoting an offer on Clickbank, I just wanna have the best one out of all the categories. I don't care what the category is, I just wanna know what the best one is. That way I know that it converts the most and it has the most chance of getting sales, right? So all I'm gonna do is leave this blank and I'm gonna click on search. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna pop up, and now what you see here are some of the top offers on Clickbank. So for example, right now, the top offer on Clickbank is Flat Belly Fix. Flat Belly Fix is a great offer to promote. I've done very, very well with it. I know the owner, Todd, very well. But we've done over, like I said, the vast majority of my revenue has come from Flat Belly Fix this year. It just converts and does well. And the reason why it does so well, guys, is because it's in one of the big 3 niches. Now, the big three niches are, of course, health, wealth, and relationships. So if you are in one of those niches, it's a mass market, and everybody is interested in it, okay? It almost goes to those three primal things, right? Food, sex, and money, right? Those are the three things people are interested in, right? And that's why it works so well, because people are, subconsciously, primally attracted to those things or have to deal with those things. So that's why I promote these offers. So Flat Belly Fix is a great one. Ted's Woodworking, right? So Ted's Woodworking is great because you are able to, it's basically a ton of woodworking plans for people. Does great in the survival niche. It does great in done for you niches, or do-it-yourself niches, excuse me. His secret obsession is geared towards women, to get guys to like them. Believe it or not, does really well, okay? So there's a lot of different offers on here. You can dig through and see what's doing well, okay? Numerologists, so numerology type stuff. So there's literally all kinds of niches for everyone. And I wanna share with you something here. So let's just take, for example, this offer, which is called Easy Battery Reconditioning. And basically it's a product that shows people how to recondition old batteries so they don't have to buy new ones, okay? And the premise is, because new ones are too expensive, blah, 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 okay? Now here's what's super cool about this, guys, is because, when I look at Easy Battery, I can see that their average sale is $48, right? So I know that for every sale that I get, chances are I'm gonna get $48, okay? That's their average sale. Now, if your commission, right, is 75%, whatever the math is on that, you're getting a good chunk of that $48. Now, if you run some really good traffic for them and you get them more sales, they'll bump you up to 90% or 100%, right? So that $48 could potentially all be yours, okay? Which is great, okay? So what we wanna do, and here's why it's so easy to make money with Clickbank, is because let's say, for example, we click on our affiliate page here, which is where they have all their information. It's gonna pull up the Easy Battery affiliate page, and look at this, guys. You're gonna see a ton of resources and some amazing stuff for you, right? So what they have here is they have an opt-in rate, or opt-in page. So let's go ahead and just, we'll just put in our opt-in email, right? It gets started. Okay, cool. So now we're in the resource page, and you can see here that they have all their stats. And the crazy thing is, if they're a really good product, they have all the information you need, right? So they have, demographics, they have Facebook pre-sale and pages for you that are done. They have other languages, so Spanish. There's just so much stuff here. They got one for just the UK. So just as you scroll down here, you can see all the email sequences they have. They got their pre-sale pages, their pages you can use. Let's say, for example, look at this. Let's just pull up, this landing page here. So if I click on this page, it's gonna open up. And now you have that landing page, okay? That landing page is already done, and it already has your links on there, okay? And that's the great thing about this offer and promoting on Clickbank. So I can literally take this link and I can go on Facebook and I can start promoting it today, okay? And if I were to promote this offer, I would target it to do-it-yourself people, survival people, preppers. I would target conservative people, all right? And I would really gear it just towards guys, right? And guys 40 plus, all right? Because that's, I've run this offer quite a bit and it works really well. And it's geared towards men 40 plus, okay? Some women buy it, but for the vast majority of people, it's going to be men, okay? So you can see here, guys, they have everything. They blog articles, they have all kinds of stuff for you to use, and that's the great thing about this. They even give you images, right? So if you're running an ad on Facebook, you can just literally write and use these images. So these images here, right? Look at this, guys, black. They got the Facebook ads for you, okay? Now the other crazy thing, guys, is as they scroll down here, I wanna see if they still have it on here. Yeah, look at this, they have demographics, right? So you can see ages 45 and up are the highest converting. You can see the number of countries that are highest converting. There's so much on here, guys, okay? And this is why it's, honestly and truly, I think affiliate marketing is so good, especially if you have a high converting offer like this one, for example, Easy Battery, and you have, because they give you all the resources. They literally give you everything you need on a silver platter to make money with this offer, okay? And honestly and truly, I've run this offer quite a bit. I've had a couple $10,000 days with this offer. It does well, guys. So just keep that in mind, and this is the why I love to advertise on Clickbank with Clickbank offers on Facebook, because if you can find that winning combination of an offer that converts, All right, and you're able to, it's a big niche, okay? For example, the do-it-yourself survival niche is huge, okay? It's not as big as health or wealth or relationship, but it's still a really big niche. You can do really well with this, okay? So dig through these guys. What I would recommend is on the marketplace, make sure, once again, let me go back here. Make sure you're going and checking out the top converting offers, okay? Reaching out to the affiliates, seeing what they have for resources for you, or excuse me, the vendor resources for you, and then going from there, guys. So really, that's how simple it is, and that's how you can get to that level of making thousands of dollars a day, or in my case, millions of dollars a year with ClickBank, okay? And that's just one angle, guys. There's so many other ways you can go. And that's something that I kind of teach in my Commission Hero program as we go over all the different angles, different offers to choose. There's a lot you can do, guys. So hopefully that makes sense, but yeah, get excited. If you're not excited about something like this, then you're crazy, because promoting other people's offers where you don't have to worry about having an email list or customer service or anything like that. This is why I love affiliate marketing. I love working with ClickBank because they just make it so easy for you if you just put the time and effort into it. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Hopefully that gets you excited. But that's it, guys. That's how you make money with ClickBank. Hey, thanks so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then you're gonna love the free gift that I have for you in the description box. So that link in the description box is to a free training on how I became the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world, but more importantly, how you can make money with ClickBank and Facebook. Now, I want you to do 3 things for me right now. First thing I want you to do is give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed the content and it was relevant to you. Second of all, I want you to comment below with any questions you have, because I love your questions and I'll get back to you and reply to those comments as well. And finally, I want you to go ahead and subscribe by clicking that subscribe button so you can stay up to date, get notifications, because we post content each and every week that'll help you make more money online. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.